Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a component that can add a fantastic visual element to any audio project or amplifier build. The new AC12V Stereo VU meter driver board. This isn't just a simple circuit, it's designed specifically to drive those classic, satisfying VU meters, bringing a touch of vintage cool and practical level monitoring to your setup. What this board does is take an audio signal and convert it into a voltage that can move the needles on a pair of VU meters. It's a stereo board, meaning it handles both the left and right channels independently, allowing you to see the levels for each side of your audio signal simultaneously. This is crucial for getting a true representation of your stereo soundstage's dynamics. One of the key features mentioned is the AC12V input requirement. This is important to note because it needs an alternating current power source, typically from a small transformer. This is a common voltage in audio equipment, so integrating it into an existing system or a new build should be relatively straightforward if you have a suitable power supply available. The board itself handles the necessary rectification and regulation to provide stable power to the driving circuitry. The description also highlights that it takes dB audio level input. This suggests it's designed to work with standard line-level audio signals, which are common outputs from preamplifiers, source devices like CD players or DACs, or even the output stage of some power amplifiers, though care must be taken with higher power signals. The board processes this audio signal to accurately reflect the perceived loudness on the VU meters, often calibrated to a standard like 0 dB, representing a specific voltage level. Another useful feature is the support for backlit meters. Many classic and modern VU meters have small incandescent bulbs or LEDs for illumination. This driver board includes the necessary connections and circuitry to power these backlights, ensuring your meters are visible and look great, especially in low light conditions. This adds significantly to the aesthetic appeal of the finished project. The use of integrated circuits, ICs, in the design implies a level of sophistication and potentially better performance compared to simpler discrete component circuits. ICs can provide more stable and accurate signal processing, leading to more precise meter movements and potentially better linearity across the dynamic range. This is important for meters that are meant to provide a reasonably accurate visual representation of the audio level. This board is really aimed at the DIY audio enthusiast, the hobbyist building their own amplifier, or someone looking to modify existing equipment to add a visual flair. It provides the core functionality needed to implement VU meters without having to design the complex driving circuitry from scratch. You would need the board, a pair of compatible VU meters, a 12 VAC power source, and the audio signal you want to monitor. Basic soldering and wiring skills will be necessary to connect everything up. Overall, this new AC12V Stereo VU meter driver board appears to be a well-specified component for anyone wanting to add functional and attractive VU meters to their audio setup. Its stereo capability, 12 VAC power input, dB level handling, and backlit support make it a versatile option for various projects. It simplifies the process of integrating VU meters, allowing builders to focus on the rest of their audio circuit while adding that satisfying visual feedback of the audio levels. It seems like a solid choice for bringing that classic audio aesthetic to modern or vintage-inspired builds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.